Shout out to all friends and supporters, all my YouTube families around the world. This is Winston GeL, Cooking and Discovery TV, coming to you live. Today I will be making a banana walnut, yes, a banana walnut and raisin cake, not pudding, a banana walnut and raisin cake. Yes, and what you're looking at is it's all the ingredients that I'll be working with here today. Yes, in my creation here today. Alright, so on the table, you can see on the table I have bananas, of course. I have walnuts, I have prunes, and I have raisins. Yes, and I will be adding 2 eggs, only 2 eggs into the ingredients. Only 2 because I need to watch my cholesterol. And I have sugar over there. I have half and half. I have cherries. I have olive oil. I have flour. And baking powder. Yes. And I'm going to add some vanilla. Put in flavor into the mixture. Yes. To really spice it up. And to create a very nice presentation here today. And I hope the end results will be fantastic. You're watching the Winston GeL on the Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. Alright my friends, so I'm going to begin the journey here today with creating this delicious, tasty, yes, banana, yes, walnuts and raisin cake, not pudding. Alright, banana, walnuts and raisin cake. You're watching the Winston GeL Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. So I'm going to peel the bananas and cut them up and get them ready to blend them out. And the journey begins. I'm using only 4 bananas. Yes, only 4. Only 4 bananas. Alright. Just 4. You're watching the Winston GeL Cooking and Discovery. Alright, I'm going to crack 2 eggs. Put them inside. Those were twins. Yeah, those were twins eggs. Alright, my friends, so now I'm going to use my hand blender and I'm going to blend them out, liquefy them, alright? Okay, I will be using only 1 cup of sugar because the sugar is sweet and the banana is sweet. So I will only add 1 cup of sugar. Alright? 1 cup of sugar. So this is what it looks like. It's just the banana, the eggs, and the sugar. Alright, so now I'm going to add some olive oil, 1 cup of olive oil. into it. Alright, this is 1 cup of olive oil. Alright, so now I'm going to blend it. Alright, I've decided to add another cup of olive oil because I realize that this is bananas. This is ripe bananas, and I just want to make sure that it comes out right. So yes, I've decided to add a second cup of olive oil. And I'll be using lots of flour because I'm going to make 2 banana cakes today. 2 reasonable sized banana cakes. I'm adding 3/4 of a tablespoon of salt. Okay, sea salt, not just any salt, sea salt. Yes, I don't use a concentrated salt because of my health. So this is special sea salt. So this is 3/4 of 1 tablespoon. This is just about almost half cup of baking powder, because this is bananas and I just want to make sure that it gives me a proper rise. Even if it's split, it's okay. I just want it to rise properly because I'm dealing with ripe bananas. Alright, so this is 3/4 of a half a cup of baking powder. You're watching the Winston GeL on the Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. I am doing banana, yes, walnut, raisin cakes today in my cooking lab on the Winston GeL Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. Alright, I'm going to put 1 cup of half and half right now. 1 cup now. And later on I'll add another cup, but for now I'm just going to add 1 cup. Alright, this is 1 cup, 1 full cup of flour. Knock the blender off the table. Sorry. Two cups. Put 3 cups and see where I go with the 3 cups. You're watching the Winston GeL Cooking and Discovery. That was 3 cups of flour. So now I'm going to add 1 more cup of milk, and then I'm going to add the rest of the flour to complete the process. And then I will start adding my finishing ingredients. You're watching the Winston GeL and the Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. Okay, I'm adding my second cup of half and half milk. Alright, I just added 1 cup of half and half cream into the mixture. So I'm going to blend it out first, and then I'm going to add the rest of the flour in. And then I'm going to add some vanilla jello pudding flavor, and also I will be adding some almond joy flavor and a touch of vanilla. And a little bit of cinnamon flavor. And then I'm going to add the walnut and the prunes and the raisins soaked in wine. Alright, so now this is ready for the rest of the flour. You're watching the Winston GeL Cooking and Discovery TV. Alright, this is cup number 4. Yes, cup number 4 of the flour. This is cup number 5. Cup number 6. So I'm using a total of 6 cups of flour. 6 full cups of flour. That's pretty measuring standard. Alright, you're watching the Winston GeL Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. I'm adding 3/4, yeah, 3/4 of a half cup. Yeah, 3/4 of a half cup because it's not filled all the way up. So this is vanilla pudding flavor. This is vanilla pudding flavor. So I am experimenting today with this banana cake. All right, so this is vanilla pudding flavor. Jello, banana, okay, vanilla in the banana cake here today. All right, so now I'm gonna blend this out, then I'm gonna add some liquid. Okay, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of cinnamon flavor. Okay, cinnamon. This is 1 tablespoon. Right, cinnamon. Now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of almond extract. Also 1 tablespoon of white vanilla. Yes, that's white vanilla flavor. So there is almond flavor and there is vanilla flavor and cinnamon. Those are the only 3 spices that I will use. I will not use any nutmeg. Just vanilla and almond flavor. cinnamon, vanilla, white vanilla, and almond flavor. All right, so now I'm going to blend it out, and then I'm going to add the remaining ingredients, and that's it. You're watching Winston GeL Cooking and Discovery TV. Okay, I'm going to add my raisins soaked in wine. Special manischewitz wine. These raisins have been soaked for a very long time. So I'm going to add this into my banana cake ingredients. Alright? And in addition to that, I'm going to add my prunes into it. After this, I'm going to go by hand and finish it up by hand. One more blender. You're watching the Winston GeL Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube. Next, I'm going to add my walnuts. Go into circular motions. This process is called creaming, from the sugar with the butter or the sugar with the oil. But normally, typically, it's butter and sugar, but I use olive oil today instead of butter. Okay, I use 2 cups of olive oil. All right, so you see how smooth and how creamy it looks. Yes. So this is my banana, walnut, raisin cake. Banana, walnut, raisin cake. All right, now I'm gonna put some cherries in here, some cherry juice, and that's it. Ready for the oven. You're watching Winston GeL Cooking and Discovery TV. All right, so I'm gonna put some cherry liquid and also some whole cherry. Yes, I'm not cutting them up. I'm gonna make it whole. I'll add a few more cherries from a different jar. All right, you're watching the Winston GeL on the Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. All right, I'm not gonna use up all of this for today. All right, satisfied with that. Let's see. Alright. I'm almost done with the mixing, my friend. Almost done with the mixing. Almost done. So I hope someone across the YouTube world will be able to, yes, duplicate this process that you saw here today. Alright, just watch the video, see what I've done. If you want to learn how to bake, and try to repeat the process and to improve on it. Yes, use your own creation, use your own style to your own satisfaction. Alright, so it is ready. It is ready. The mixture is ready to be poured into the vessel, the baking vessels. Alright, so this is my banana walnut raisin cake. Banana walnut raisin cake. Alright, my friends, you're watching the Winston GeL and Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. watching the Winston GeL on the Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. This is my banana walnut raisin cake here in the lab. Alright, mixture is done. So now, ready for the vessels and going straight into the oven. Alright, I'm preparing the vessels. Baking containers, yes, using butter. You can use butter, you can use oil, but you just have to make sure that it's done properly. Alright, just make sure it's done properly. Alright, so I'm going to use the tissue and then go over it. Make sure I cover all the corners. Then I'm going to add some flour. Yes, the flour will be an extra base to make sure that your product doesn't stick when you try to take it out. Yes. Okay, my friends. My mixture, my batter is ready. Yes, my batter is ready to go into the baking containers. And here's container 1, properly greased with butter and olive oil. And as well, I have this one here, and I have this round one. I'm sure I have enough for all three. You're watching the Winston GeL Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. Alright, my friends, I'm just gonna pour. Alright. Create another cake. Yeah. Pour a little bit more. Just save just enough. Just enough. Alright. Just enough. Another cake. You're watching the Winston GeL. Yes. Alright, so this is ready. Alright. You're watching the Winston GeL Cooking and Discovery TV. Alright, I have one more. I'm going to add some flour to the remaining batter that I have. Yes, and put together another cake. Alright, still be on the same order, but yes, I'm going to add some more flour to the remaining mixture that I have, which is right here. Yes, this is what I have left. I'm going to add 1 cup of flour to this and mix it with some half and half. And then pour it into the vessel. I don't need to add any more sugar or any more spices. This is more than good enough. You're watching the Winston GeL Cooking and Discovery TV. You're watching the Winston GeL Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. Okay, my friends, my mixtures, they are ready. So these are my banana. Yes, my banana mixture. Yes, banana cake mixture. Walnuts, raisins, yes, and prunes and cherries. Yes, with some wine in it. So now they're ready to go into the oven. So I'm going to turn the oven on and put them in the oven, yes, and see how they come out. Alright, you're watching the Winston GeL Cooking and Discovery TV on YouTube platform. Alright, my friends, you're watching the Winston GeL Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. So these are my banana, yes, banana walnut raisin cake. Banana walnut and raisin cake. Yeah, decorated with some nice, delicious sweet cherries. Yes, I love cherries. Alright, turn it over to 375. Alright, cake number 1. Cake number 2. Cake number 3. You're watching the Winston GeL Cooking and Discovery TV. Alright, my friends, that is how the banana cakes are looking. Alright, they are split on the top, and I know why. A little bit too much baking powder, yes. A little bit too much baking powder. But the right amount of pour was correct. It's just the amount of baking powder that I put in a little bit too much. So that's why they're splitting. Alright, so that is my banana cake. Yes, my banana walnut raisin cakes. Yes, banana walnut raisin cake with cherries on the top. You're watching the Winston GeL Cooking and Discovery TV. Alright, my friends, these are the end results of the banana cakes I did today. Some say banana bread, I say banana cake. Alright, they're still warm, still very, very warm. So, I'm just going to experiment and see if it'll come out. See if it will come out. Yep, comes out with ease. Alright, comes out with ease. Alright, my friends, come right out with ease. No struggle to come out. Alright, no struggle whatsoever to come out. I'm sure you see this one here too. This is very hot. Yep. There you go, my friends. Yes. You're watching the Winston GeL Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. So that is my banana cake. Yes, my banana walnut raisin cake. Alright. Laced with all kind of fabulous, fantastic, awesome, delightful ingredients in them. And you see this all here on the Winston GeL Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube. So, there we go. Alright, my friends. So, alright, my friends. So these are the 3 banana walnuts raisin cakes that I baked for today. Yes, from bananas, ripe bananas, 4 bananas, 4 red bananas. Yes, 2 eggs, flour, of course, sugar, and olive oil, and other very nice nice vanilla pudding mixture. Of course, incorporated to give it some very unique flavor, along with vanilla and almond extract. And you're watching this on Winston GeL Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. So I hope you like. Hope you like the end results that you see here today on the Winston GeL. Alright, so I'll see you soon, and I'll see you in another cooking adventure on the Winston GeL Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. Alright, my friends, so I'm gonna cut. Winston GeL Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. So that is my banana cake. Yes, that is my banana cake. That is the end result. Right? It comes out beautiful. I like it. Yes. So next time I'll just put a little bit less baking powder in it. But apart from that, yes, it came out fine. Came out of the containers with ease, no struggle, no problem. Alright, so try to give it a go and see what you can do. Alright, and let me see your end results. Alright, Triple J, Mystery and Rhyme in Hong Kong. Alright, and I know, yes, Chiang, Francisco in Kuwait. Alright, you're the pastry master, okay? You're the pastry master chef. Alright, so this is my banana cake. This is the first time in a very, very long time, since 2014 I'm trying. Alright? With some added different ingredients in it. So let me see what you can do. Okay, Mr. Rhyme and Miss Triple J in Hong Kong. Alright, this is dedicated to you. Mr. Rhyme. Yes. And Triple J cooking in Hong Kong. Thank you. See you on the next adventure.